Hello everyone. Namaste. How are you all? Are you okay? Good. I hope so. Now today we will be together for our English lesson. We will be together for one period doing our English lesson. Are you ready for that? Yes, good. Eagerly waiting. Are you eagerly waiting for English class? Very good. Very good. Now, but before we start, I'll ask you one thing. Do you know what we are going to do today? Yes, now, today we will read Unit 7. We will start Unit 7 of Grade 8 English. Okay? But even if you are from grade 7 or 9 or 10, whichever grade you are from, you can participate in classroom activities. Okay? If it interests you. Well, let me show you the contents we will do today. Okay? So that you can join class, you can do the activities, classroom activities within this lesson, within this time. Okay? Okay. Today, in this lesson, we will do Unit 7 of Grade 8 English, and contents we'll do are getting started and reading one. Okay? In getting started, we will do prediction of weather, that is based on pictures. In the book, there are some pictures given, and looking at, observing those pictures, we will try to predict weather. Okay? Next, there is one reading text, reading one, that is weather forecast. Okay? Then, there we will read it and then fill in the blank exercise, completion exercise we will do. Next, tick the best answer or multiple choice item we will do. And then finally, we will try reading weather forecast. Okay? Are you ready for this? Are you interested in this? Good. Any student interested in it can join, come close to this device and listen to me. Okay? If you have book with you, keep your book with you, close to you, and get everything ready for this. Okay? Good. Okay, let's start with getting started. Look at your book. If you have book, look at your book on page number 79, Unit 7. That is getting started. Under getting started, what is given? Let's read. Study the following pictures and predict the weather conditions for the following places. Can you predict weather condition based on the pictures? Yes, let's try. There are 6 places given. Are there? Yes. Read out loudly what places? Dading, Dankuta, Taplejung, next, Bajang, Kaski, and Dang. Okay. Now, look at the pictures given, and then there are 3 options given in each places. Are there? Yes. For example, in Dading, there are 3 options or alternatives given, and then weather condition is presented in pictures. Just observe it and tick the best answer, correct answer. Okay? For example, in Dading, stormy, sunny, windy. 3 alternatives are there. Looking at this picture, what can you say? Is the weather stormy, sunny, or windy in Dading? Stormy? Sunny? Are you sure? Good, that is sunny, good. Sunny. Let's see Dhankuta. Second picture. Well, you can see the picture and guess. Is the weather condition rainy, sunny, or snowy? What can you see? It is very good. It's rainy. You can see rain here. Can you? Good. Very good. Now, come to Taplejung here. Third picture. What's there? Partly cloudy, windy, rainy. What can you see here? So, that is correct option is? Okay, correct option is partly cloudy. correct answer, isn't it? Now, next one, Bajang. Rainy, snowy, cloudy. What is correct? You can observe here and say, what is it? Snowy, okay. Weather in Bajang is snowy. And then second last, Kaski, stormy, snowy, sunny. Which one is the correct alternative? Yes, you can see here and then say, what is it? Okay, correct one is stormy. Storm you can see here. And last one, Dang, rainy, cloudy or sunny. What can you see here? Cloud? Yes. So the weather was okay, cloudy. Okay. Now after this, let's go to reading. Reading 1. There, answer these questions. In the beginning, there are 2 questions. Why do we need to know what the weather will be like in our location? Sometime, are you curious about the weather before you go anywhere? Yes. Why? Why do you need to know about the weather? Okay, to take umbrella sometime, is it? Sometime if you know about the weather and if it is going to be rainy, we take umbrella. Sometime we should be alert about a flood, landslide, if there is heavy rain. In some places, in some of your places, sometimes there is heavy snowfall. So you need to be aware of it. That's why, is it so? That's why we need to know what the weather will be like in our location. Is it so? Very good, very good. Now, next one, B. What information is shown in the boxes below? Can you see the box here? Box or table, you can say. So, what is given there? Station, maximum temperature, minimum temperature, 24 hours rainfall, and all these places. What is it? Definitely, definitely. That is weather condition, isn't it? Weather condition. Okay, good. The weather condition is given there. Well, now come to the reading. Now, in reading lesson, weather forecast, the reading lesson is weather forecast. Do you know forecast? Yes, okay, telling about future condition, isn't it? Weather forecast, telling about what the weather will be like in future, near future. That is weather forecast. Now, here, weather condition is displayed in table or box, and forecast is given as text. Is it so? Yes, on page number 80 of your book. Is it? Yes. Now, this is weather condition that was reported before, and forecast means based on some evidences what will be the weather like, that is given here. Is it? Okay, let's read it. Well, can you see it clearly? Yes. Okay, now if not, we will see the table first. Let's go to the table, weather condition. In weather condition, how many stations are presented? There are some stations and their maximum temperature, minimum temperature and 24-hour rainfalls, they are presented. Okay. How many stations are given? Dipayal, Nepalganj, Gorahi, Pokhara, Kathmandu, Janakpur, Biratnagar. How many places? 7 places. Okay. And maximum temperature is presented in which unit? Degree centigrade. Okay, this means degree centigrade, isn't it? Minimum temperature, degree centigrade. 24-hour rainfalls, unit is mm means milliliter, isn't it? Millimeter. Okay. Now, can you answer a few questions looking at this table? Yes? Let's try. Okay. First question is, when was this weather condition recorded? When was it recorded? Is the date given? Is the time given? No? Okay, yes, good. Go through it, go through the table. When was it recorded? Yesterday afternoon. Very good. Where is it? Can you indicate with your finger, please? Indicate where the answer is. Good, it's here, isn't it? The maximum temperature as recorded yesterday afternoon is written, is it? Very good, very good. Now, B, question B. In which place was there heavy rainfall? Where do you see? Heavy rainfall. Now, 24 hours rainfall millimeters. So, where is the heaviest rainfall? Can you see? Yes, this place. What is this place? Pokhara. Very good, very good. That is Pokhara. Okay. In Pokhara, there was heavy rainfall. And next, question C. Which place was the hottest one among the 7 places? There are 7 places given. Which one is the hottest? Where there was maximum temperature, highest maximum temperature? Where was it? 28, 36, 31, 28, 27, 32, 31. Which is the highest? 36. Okay, 36.6. Is it? So, where was it? Nepalganj. Okay, Nepalganj was the hottest. And then which place was the coldest one among the 7 places? Coldest, where do you see? Yes, minimum. Which one was coldest? Here 20, 26, 27, 21, 20, 27, 27. So, which is the lowest among them? There is 20, there is 20, 20.4, 20.4. Equal. In 2 places, equal temperature. Minimum temperature is equal, is it? How do we decide? Now, coldest was, you can see maximum as well. In Dipile, minimum was 20.4, maximum 28.0. In Kathmandu, minimum 20.4, maximum 27.3. Which one is less hot or colder? Obviously, Kathmandu, you can say. Okay? Just by looking at it, you can say 2 places were the coldest. But if you compare 2 places, Kathmandu was colder than Dipile in that sense. Okay? Okay, you can see tables of weather forecast this way. Now, let's read what is given. Okay, in forecast, what is given? Now, today and tonight, forecast for today and forecast for tonight is given, isn't it? Good. Now, today, what is given? It will be partly to mostly cloudy all over the country. Light to moderate rain with thunder and lightning will occur at many places in the hilly regions of the country and at a few places in the remaining parts of the country. There are chances of heavy rainfall at 1 or 2 places of Gandaki, Lumbini and Karnali provinces. Okay. Now, what does moderate rain mean? Do you know moderate? How many of you know this? Many of you. Okay. Now, for others, I'll tell you. Moderate means, what is it? Yes, moderate rain means neither light nor heavy. Average rain, isn't it? Average rainfall is moderate rain. Is it? Sometimes there is heavy rain, sometimes light rain. But moderate means neither light nor heavy. Is it so? Okay. So, now where moderate rain will occur according to the forecast? Where is it? Yes, many places in the hilly region of the country. Is it so? Okay. And then where there is chances of heavy rainfall? Can you say? Yes. Okay, at 1 or 2 places of Gandaki, Lumbini and Karnali provinces. Okay. Well, there is chance of heavy rainfall in those places. Okay. Well, as a whole, the weather condition, weather will be, what is it? Partly to mostly cloudy all over the country, isn't it? Now, that is the weather forecast for today. Now, next paragraph is weather forecast for tonight. Is it? Okay, let's see. Now, let's read tonight. It will be generally to mostly cloudy throughout the country. light to moderate rain with thunder and lightning will occur at many places of hilly regions of the country and at a few places in the remaining parts of the country. There will be heavy rainfall at one or two places of Province 1, Gandaki and Lumbini provinces. Okay, again there is chance of heavy rainfall in some places. Okay, what are those places? Some places of Province 1, Gandaki and Lumbini. Okay, again even at night there is generally to mostly cloudy throughout the country. Condition will be that. Is it so? Good. Okay, now based on this reading there are some activities given in book you can do now, can't you? Okay, let's do. Are you ready? Good. Well, the first thing you should do is activity A. Find the words from the text to complete these sentences. Okay. Now, use the word from the text that best complete these sentences. Okay. A. First statement. There was a violent storm with thunder and what is it? There was a violent storm with thunder and the dirt yesterday. What is there in the text? Find it quickly. Yes, okay. Good, good. Loudly, please, everyone. When you find, say it loudly. Good. Thunder and storm. Okay, thunder and lightning. Sorry. Yes, good. There was a violent storm with thunder and lightning yesterday. Okay. Next. Nepal measures an average annual dirt of 10 centimeter. Okay, what is it? Well, you should know that rainfall sometime is measured in millimeter, sometimes centimeter, sometimes inch. Okay, that's possible. So, Nepal measures an average annual of 10 centimeter. What is it? Okay, that is rainfall. Now read the full sentence. Nepal measures an average annual rainfall of 10 centimeter. The weather, next C. The weather in Kathmandu is the dirt. It is neither too hot nor too cold. So what should be there? Neither too hot nor too cold. Means average means what? Previously we discussed. Okay. Well, neither heavy nor light is good, moderate. Here neither hot nor cold is moderate. Good. The weather in Kathmandu is moderate. It is neither too hot nor too cold. Next, D. When exactly did the incident? What should be there? Find the text, find in the text, find the word in the text. What is it? Good, occur. Okay. When exactly did the incident occur? Occur means take place. Is it so? Good. Now finally, the weather, the dirt says it will be sunny tomorrow. What says it will be sunny tomorrow, rainy tomorrow? Weather forecast. Very good. The weather forecast says it will be sunny tomorrow. Very good. Good job. You did very well. Okay. Let's go to another activity. That is B. What is there? Read it. Study the weather information in the text and tick the correct answer. Well, there are 3 alternatives given for each question. You should choose and tick the best one. Okay. First one, A. Which place was the hottest yesterday according to the chart? Well, read the chart and tick one. Kathmandu, Gorahi, Nepalganj. B. Which place was the coldest yesterday according to the chart? Pokhara, Kathmandu, Dipal. Which one? Similarly, number C, question C. Which places did not have rainfall according to the chart? Janakpur, Biratnagar, Nepalganj. And D. What will be the weather be like today in the hilly region? Windy, rainy, thunder and lightning. Can you do it? Are you doing? Very good. Great. Okay. Let's see. Now, start with A. First question, which place was the hottest yesterday according to the chart? Now you can see here. Now when this question is there, hottest place, about hottest place, where do you see? You see the maximum temperature here, okay, this part. And where there is highest temperature recorded, read all the places, okay, temperature of each place where there is highest. Okay, that is highest in Nepalganj. Okay, so what is the correct answer here? Obviously Nepalganj. Okay, so which place was the hottest yesterday according to the chart? That is Nepalganj. Nepalganj is the correct answer. Next one, which place was the coldest yesterday according to the chart? Now in the same way, now you should see minimum temperature, coldest mean. Is it so? We talked before about it, didn't we? Yes. Okay, what is it? What is the correct answer? Pokhara, Kathmandu, Dipal, what is it? Well, here you can see in two places lowest temperature is recorded, and then I told you before you should compare these two maximum and minimum temperature. Okay, so although Dipal and Kathmandu records same temperature, same minimum temperature, okay, maximum temperature is higher in Dipal, so coldest place was obviously Kathmandu. Okay, that is Kathmandu. C, which places did not have rainfall according to the charts? Which places, more than one you can choose, okay, among Janakpur, Biratnagar and Nepalganj. So where do you see for this? Okay, 24-hour rainfall, there you should see. And then which places did not have rainfall? Well, Nepalganj there was no rainfall, and then yes, Gorai there was no rainfall, and then third, Janakpur there was no rainfall. Now what places are given in alternatives here? Janakpur, Biratnagar, Nepalganj. So correct ones are Janakpur and Nepalganj. Is it so? Now this Gorai is not given in alternative, is it? No. Okay. Next, D. What will the weather be like today in the hilly region? Windy, rainy, thunder and lightning? What is it? Okay, indicate in the text. So in today's weather, that is given there, isn't it? So which place is it given? Well, you can read here. Light to moderate rain with thunder and lightning will occur at many places in the hilly regions of the country. Is it? So what is the correct answer? What will be the weather be like today in hilly region? Windy, rainy, or thunder and lightning? Obviously answer is thunder and lightning. Is it? Great, great. Okay. Now you can read this sort of things, weather forecast, okay, weather condition, and understand message from it, can't you? Good. Okay, now let's go to another activity, that is activity C. What is given? Take turns in pairs and read the weather forecast from the text. Act like a newsreader. Now, in your book, weather forecast is given for today and tonight, is it? Now, acting like a newsreader, you should read it. Just reading it like a newsreader. Do you know how newsreaders read it? Have you ever heard? Have you listened to Radio Nepal news, and then after that there is weather forecast? Okay, at the end of news there is weather forecast. Have you listened to it? Yes, many of you have. Even in television news there is weather forecast. Is it? Now let's check. Okay, let's listen to Radio Nepal news. Now here, sample from Radio Nepal 8 AM English news that was broadcasted on July 27, 2023. Okay, from this link I have recorded here. So let's listen to it. Okay, only that part where weather forecast was there. Let's listen to it.
Now, the general weather forecast for the country for today, according to the Meteorological Forecasting Division, the weather will be partly to generally cloudy throughout the country. Light to moderate rain with thunder and lightning is likely to occur at some places of hilly regions of the country and at one or two places of the rest of the country. There are also chances of heavy rainfall with thunder and lightning at one or two places of Kosi Province, Bagmati Province and Lumbini Province.
Okay, so that is one sample. Okay, well, you might have heard it. Now, in the same way, you should read the weather condition, okay, weather forecast given in your book. Can you do? Very easily, very good. Okay, now here your friend have read, okay, your friend has well, many friends have tried it, and then I have taken some of their reading here. I am going to present. Listen to them, okay, how they read the weather forecast. Let's listen to them. Okay.
Today, it will be partly to mostly cloudy all over the country. Light to moderate rain with thunder and lightning will occur at many places in the hilly regions of the country and at a few places in the remaining parts of the country. There are chances of heavy rainfall at one or two places of Gandaki, Lumbini, and Karnali provinces.
Good. In the same way, another student is reading weather forecast for tonight.
Tonight, it will be generally to mostly cloudy throughout the country. Light to moderate rain with thunder and lightning will occur at many places of the hilly regions of the country and at a few places in the remaining parts of the country. There will be heavy rainfall at one or two places of Province 1, Gandaki and Lumbini provinces.
Okay, now they have read. Now they are in your book. Okay, Province 1, Gandaki and Lumbini provinces, that is given, isn't it? Now Province 1 is now called, what is it? Kosi province. Okay, Kosi province means Province 1. Please don't be confused. Okay, in your book Province 1 is written, and somewhere you may also find Kosi province now. Okay, good. Now after this, okay, you can try reading it. Okay, you can listen to Radio Nepal or Nepal television or any news, and then after that there is weather forecast, and then try it. Even in newspaper you can find weather forecast and try reading it like a news reader. Okay, okay, after you tried this, okay, when you listen to the radio, there it says weather condition as well as forecast. Okay, you can also read weather condition, okay, as given in your book. Okay, you can read the table and try interpreting it. Okay, well, here you can also read this, okay, station, maximum temperature, minimum temperature. When you read these things, that is not given in your exercise book, that is not given in exercise. Okay, this table interpretation, just some questions are given, but when you do weather forecast, when you read weather forecast, you can also read these tables like thing, maximum temperature, minimum temperature. For example, in Nepal, maximum temperature 28.0, minimum temperature 20.4, and rainfall 6.7 millimeter. Similarly, Nepalganj 36.6, maximum temperature 36.6, minimum temperature 26.2, and rainfall 0.0 millimeter or 0 millimeter, simply you can say. Similarly, in Gorai, maximum temperature 31.5, that way you can interpret. Okay, maximum temperature, minimum temperature, and rainfall, three things you can read out. Okay, along with reading this forecast, you can also read news about or weather, about this weather condition. Okay, condition as well as this forecast. Well, when you read it before reading forecast, you can read weather condition, and you don't need to read this thing, the maximum temperature as recorded yesterday afternoon. You don't need to read this. Okay, but in the beginning, here is the maximum, well, here is the temperature as recorded yesterday, you can say in the beginning. You don't need to read it at the end. Okay, that way you can try reading news about weather condition, weather forecast together. Okay, first condition and then forecast. Can you do? Great, great. Okay, you have done great job today, is it so? Now here finally I would like to assign you one task. Okay, well, see, listen to the weather forecast broadcasted at the end of the Radio Nepal English News and note the places where rain is forecasted to occur. Okay, if it forecasts rain to occur, you can write it. Okay, and next day in the class you can present. You can listen to Radio Nepal English News in the morning at 8 a.m. or in the evening at 8 p.m. Okay, that way you can do. And next thing, it says according to meteorological forecasting unit, forecasting division, it says you don't need to say this, just try reading the text. Okay, in book that is given for today, tonight and everything, so know how to read it and then try like that. Okay, can you do? Yes, and for this you can sit somewhere and then start reading the news and record in your mobile or camera or recorder if you have, and you can see and compare your voice with that news forecast from radio. Okay, and you try better one. Okay, well, very good, dear students. Now we have done so many things about weather forecast. In the beginning, based on weather condition given in picture, we predicted weather in different places. Okay, and after that we interpreted the table in terms of maximum temperature, minimum temperature and rainfall recorded previously, and then finally we read today and tonight's weather forecast. Based on this reading, we solved some exercise activities, and finally we tried reading. Repeatedly you can try reading news. Okay, news of weather forecast. Okay, you can try later. Now we have done it. Have you enjoyed the lesson? Very good. Okay, very good. You can do some other activities and constantly try reading this news even at home later. Okay, good. Now next time we will do some other activities after this. Okay, till then have a very good time, good study. Thank you very much for your attention during this time. Goodbye.